beautiful one, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making full tutorial makeup for beginners. Yes, quite a little bit long, but bear with me. I don't want to skip a lot of things. I just want to do it gradually with you guys, and let's jump into the video. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like. I'm going to be applying Facial Beauty serum. I'm going to be using my moisturizer, which is called Carotenoid. It's for imperfection skin. I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this primer, which is called Krylon. So I tap everything in. I'm going to be using this eyebrow primer. It's for Floma. It really helps for building the eyebrow. Those brushes are from Shine. I'm going to be testing them out how they really blend in eyeshadow, and I will be leaving the link on the description box as well. At the end of the video, reviewing these brushes if they really work for blending makeup. I'm going to be using this bright liner. I'm going to be using my Peggy Sage for my brown bow highlight. I also bought this palette from Shine. It's what I'm going to be using in my. This is how they look like. I'm going to be trying their palette to see how they blend. I'm going to be cutting out my crease with this liquid eyeshadow. This liquid eyeshadow is from Shine. I'm going to be using this silver liquid eyeshadow to cut out my crease. I'm going to be using eyeliner brush. Now I'm going to be adding my liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to be applying my concealer to all my dark area. Yeah, this is the foundation that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my blender to apply my foundation. I'm going to be using this super coverage concealer for my highlight area. I'm going to be using this Hello Girl for contouring. Now take time to blend everything in so that the demarcation line will not show. I'm going to be using my NYS finish powder to setting up my eyeliner. And now I'm going to be using this black opal for my entire face. And for my waterliner, I'm going to be using this blue color. Applying the same color that I applied to my eyelid under my lower lashes line. Then I'm going to be using my mascara in the lower lashes line. I'm going to be applying my NYS blush. I'm going to be using my MAC highlights. I'm going to be using my lipstick pencil. I'm going to be applying my red lipstick. And to finish up, I'm going to be adding my spray. Fortunately, it doesn't blend a lot. The problem of these brushes is that they are too small, and for the handle they are so short that it doesn't have a lot of hair to blend enough. For the rate of these brushes, I'm going to be giving 5/10. Well, but as for beginners, it's quite okay. They do the work, but you have to spend time with the brush. And it was the price, I think it's €5, something like that. And for the palette, it's good, better than the brush. I like it. The blend is also worth the price. I like it. And for this liquid shadow, I didn't regret buying them. And yes, that is it about this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell for you to get alert whenever I upload video. I so much appreciate the time you spend with me, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.